Good morning, everybody. New day. Actually, it is family day. So today we're going to take the sled. You guys are on the helmet, so sorry about the view there, but we're going to take the sled and we're going to break a bunch of trails today. So the neighbor's got a Bearcat. I've got the new machine here, which is the Norseman 3000, which is the evolution of the Bearcat. Essentially, they changed the name and put an articulating track on it. That's it. So we're going to break some trails today, tow some kids around, have fun, and just try out the machine in the bush. Some of you guys have pointed out the excessive vibration on this machine, and I agree 100%. From the second the dealer started it in the shop, he even looked at me and said, "Oh, that vibration will slow down." Once you get up a little bit of speed, it does stop, but I think it vibrates excessively on startup here, and I'm hoping that it just needs a bit of break-in time, and that will be taken care of. Doesn't seem as bad today, so maybe. I rode it a little bit last night, not very much. Maybe got 5 kilometers on there now. But that doesn't seem as bad as yesterday, so. Much better today. Definitely frosty this morning. What the hell? Nice. Okay, so just cut up the first bank here to break the first trail of the day, and broke the mud flap right off the back, the snow flap, I guess, whatever we want to call it. That is friggin' ridiculous. That is horrible design. Broke it right off. Look at this. I mean, that's, I don't know. That's an angle, but I mean, come on, we're supposed to be going over shit. That annoys me right there. Well, that first trail down to the lake was already broken, so not much of a test there, but we've got some stuff to do up in the bush, so we'll go do that. Here it is, vibrating again. I know it's only a mud flap, but that really annoys me. That pisses me off. That's just poor design. I mean, it's a new machine. I'm gonna climb a lot worse than that on the trails I go on. I never even thought of that. Like, why wouldn't you have a rubber flap there instead of a hard plastic? Just, I don't know. I'm an old school guy, and cheap shit like that annoys me. Also, I should mention that this machine, everybody talks about the Tundra being tippy and that. I'm used to driving a wide track Scandic, and I find this machine tippy. So it's going to take me a few weeks to get used to this. You guys just seen me come over the bank there, and it just seems that I really have to throw my weight around, and I'm not doing it right yet. So as you can see, it's a learning curve, but I find with this high suspension and the high seat on this and the narrow track, I do find even this a little bit tippy. I mean, it's not horrible. So it's minus 30 this morning, but I am anal and this is bugging me. So I'm going to drill all of these rivets out, and today or tomorrow I'm going to go buy a real proper rubber snow flap and put it on there. That's just never should have been a hard plastic piece. There. Nice and clean now. Now I can just either bolt or rivet on a proper rubber piece.
There's a dog barking there. I wonder what the hell?
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, get it. Give me 2 seconds there.
Is that chili I smell?
It is.
Can't see it, but I can smell it. There's the difference between the 2-stroke and the 4-stroke. There's the 2. Nothing coming out of mine.
What's that? Smoke?
Yeah, I said there's the difference between the 2-stroke and the 4-stroke.
Well, it's stuck already.
Oh, fuck no.
When I was pulling it, it was moving.
It was only going when you were
Okay, well,
pulling
let
it.
me just do it slow so you don't.
This might be a bad idea.
We can turn around up here. For a ride to Sunset or something. Okay. How about now?
Okay, should go now.
You sit up here on the flat area.
I think I like this sled.
Bug's ever quiet.
I was a little worried at first, but I think once I learned to drive it, it goes nice through there.
But see, I had to lean there. I was hanging off the side, but it bites when you lean. Should leave this in while we do a couple loops and it'll flatten the weight.
Yeah.
Might flatten her out.
So we just spent an hour breaking trail just to make somewhere to take the kids later today. We're gonna have a bunch of kids over and have a big family day party, and we want to pull them through the forest on the sleighs. So we made about a mile worth of trail there, and both the Bearcat with the wide track and my new Norseman each got stuck once. So he was breaking trail, I was following, but when I got off a couple times there, it's pretty deep, it's way steep. So, but overall I am impressed. This machine turns better than Tom's machine. They're both heavy buggers, so you need somebody there. But both times, just with a little pull on the ski, there's enough track here that we could get out quite easy. So I'm impressed, I'm liking the machine. They told my wife if she wanted to ride the new Arctic Cat, she had to put on proper socks. So she did.